Hello and welcome back to another little catch-up video. I've just finished doing the Lano guard on the Celica, just on the back, and I thought I'd just give the Nissan wheel a clean before I actually put it back on the car. So I've just done the exhaust on that. You may have seen the previous video I did the exhaust and fixed the leak. I just want to give the wheels a bit of a clean. As you can see, there's a little bit of surface dust on there. Just got it on the bench here and some paper. Let's move that round. So much easier cleaning the wheels when they're off the car. Quite face heavy, these wheels, so it'll take a little bit of holding up. But what I like to use on the inside is just a little bit of the Grease Lightning Showroom Shine. Liberally spray it on and give it a wipe with a cloth. I refurbed these wheels probably about 7 years ago now. They're not wearing too bad. As you can see, they clean up quite nice. A little bit of a dent in it there, I don't know if you can see. That was a curb a while ago, before I actually refurbed them. I could have had it straightened out, but they balance up nice, so it's not too bad. I don't seem to have any wheel shake, anything like that, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. Spider there. Go away. Yeah, so I don't know if you saw the Lano guard video. It's quite an interesting product. I have got to get more of it actually. I think I'll probably do some of the cavities on the Nissan with it as well, because you can get like a cavity lance as well that goes on the end of the sprayer, so I'll probably get some of that for one of those and do all the cavities. They have been done with wax oil before, but like I say, it was when it was finished, and that was probably a couple of years ago, so it's probably ready for a top up. Yeah, that's all in here I like to get as well. It's pretty good, this Showroom Shine, as a waterless wash, but I wouldn't use it on the entire car, just use it as a more extreme detailer. But I find it's really good for cleaning the wheels, especially on the insides. It gives a nice coat of wax as well. These are only 15-inch wheels, these are all quite wide. I think something, what are they? Can't remember the specs now. I think they're ET35, so they're quite a wide offset. I think there's something like 7.5 wide. Right, so that's the inside pretty much done. Quite nice. I'll just give it a bit of a top up with some Hydrate by Mirror Image. Pretty good stuff. Give it a little bit of extra protection. So, let's flip around. Just to the outside, same thing. When I did these wheels, I put a little bit of metal flake in the clear little rainbow flake. I wish I'd have put more in actually. It's really subtle, I don't know if you can see it on camera. It's very, very subtle, but I wish I'd put more in. Just give it that extra bit of bling. So I could actually just give them another coat, a clear coat at some point, and put a bit more in. I've got to do one of the Celica wheels actually. One of the wheels is clear coat is coming off, so I may even do that with those as well. Put a bit more metal flake in those. They're not bad, these wheels. I think I've had them for a long time now. So I bought these wheels when I before I actually renovated the car. They were on the car before then. The company no longer exists, Smith's Wheels, which is a pity because they did some really nice wheels. They're very similar to the Honda wheels, I think. I can't remember which wheels it is, a similar on the Honda Civic have a similar sort of cutout. It's a solid centre, I think. Yeah. I give the tyres a back to black ones back on. Spray it with that. Sometimes I give these a good coating with a paste wax as well, just to give them a little bit of extra protection. Hopefully we're going to get some miles on it soon. It's hardly been run this year. There you go. Much nicer, much cleaner. So that's just been a little catch-up video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, drop me a comment below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you soon.